Hey Salesforce Hubs, welcome back to Codeforce Chronicles. Today's 3-minute short is a classic confusion point in Lightning Web Components. Mixing @wire and imperative apex calls for the same method. So here's the situation. You use a wired method to fetch data reactivity, and then somewhere else in the component you call the same apex method imperatively. At first it might seem harmless, but can create data inconsistency issues. Why? Because wired methods are managed by the framework. They are reactive, cached, and automatically refreshed when parameters change. On the other hand, imperative calls are fully manual. You control when they execute, and they do not automatically sync with the wired data. So now you have two different data flows, one controlled by LWC's reactive system, one controlled manually. This can lead to problems like UI showing stale data, race conditions where one response overrides another, confusion about which source of data is the truth. The clean architecture approach is to pick one pattern per use case. Use @wire when you want reactive, catchable, auto-updating data. Use imperative calls when you need control, like on button clicks, conditional logic, or transactions. If you ever need to refresh wired data after an imperative action, use a proper refresh mechanism instead of calling the same method again directly. The key takeaway: don't mix reactive and imperative patterns for the same data source. It breaks predictability. If this clarified changes, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Codeforce Chronicles, and comment short 3 if you are ready for the next challenge. See you next time, Salesforce Hubs. Thank you.